So we got a 64 controller that's not connecting, so we got to figure out why. And so these three connections right here connect to the cable. So let's see if I can get some beepy beep going on and see if the cables are connected. I don't know which cable's which. I also don't know. Looks like it goes white in the middle. Can I reach the plug? Dang it. I'm not reaching the plug connector all the way. At least it feels like I am. I don't know. Yeah, because I'm not all the way. Yeah, I am. How am I gonna do this, John?
Huh?
I have an idea. See if I can get one of these to slide in there. Hopefully make a connection. How about this? I need something to make a connection so I can make it connect. Nothing. Let's back probe the white, black, red, beep. Okay, maybe we weren't in all the way. Let's try. Right, this connection has to be one of these. It can't be none of them. Oh, I literally see the back end of my... What the... Alright, so white is right in the middle. I should be connected to white. Nothing. Oh, great. This one's supposed to be red. I wonder what's wrong with it. Let's see if the connection to the board's even working. That's working. Black, black, red, red. So now I gotta figure out this. I gotta figure out if I can shove something in here.
Are you streaming right
now? No. That'll fit. You got a paper clip? You got a paper clip? No. I want a paper clip. We gotta have a paper clip somewhere. Paper clips are important in this line of work. Find me paper clip.
Really?
We found some, I actually don't know what this is. Let's see if it's not connected. That won't work. It no electrical.
What is
Ain't
that?
no electrical. I actually don't know what this is.
Some random shit they had.
No, this is mine. I actually don't know what it is. Alright, we're gonna continue looking for something we can shove in here. Next. Maybe we could just shove some solder in there and test. It's thin enough to go in there and press the... So this should be black.
Was it all the way in there? Can't you just stick like the needle tips of...
They won't fit.
Really?
Yeah. As long as the metals touch, should be fine. Then I'm getting jack on the black. This is the white. Nothing. And red. I could feel it touching it. Nothing. That means there's a break in the cable. Oh, of course there's a break in the cable. And these things are a pain in the ass to get off.
I think that's not on us at that point. I wouldn't risk fucking it up more.
I actually don't care about messing it up. And here's why. I care about the plastic piece only. I can resolder all the wires and connectors. You know? I can't fix the plastic piece. This is something that's been irritating me for a while anyways. To fix these things. So what does it look to actually get one that fucking I could do something with, man? Well, since we don't care about the cables, yeah, all we care about is this plastic piece, realistically, right?
Yeah. I would have called him first.
Well, we could call him now. It's not going to make a difference. I just have not been successful at taking these out without screwing the plastic bit out, so now I'm just gonna... Jeez, dude, these things are tough. Have you guys ever been successful at taking these off? Because I haven't. Maybe today is where we learn to take these off.
I like your AI. thumbnail. Oh, disappeared.
Yeah. Oh, it's today, huh?
I looked up how to remove the plastic tip, and everything that's coming up is stick fixes.
I really thought this was gonna be easy. Yeah. This is so stupid. Like, it shouldn't be this hard, realistically. But it is. Maybe I can just break the plastic inside. But this stuff is so durable too. Wow. Yeah, he's using the credit card method. Yeah, I've tried it. It didn't work. Because it's a thin piece that goes in each side and then the tab that goes down.
You gotta really just cut up a card to do this. Anything for the view shit.
Well, give me another 64 controller, or maybe even a cable that we have in the 64 box, so I can at least test the cable. I'll desolder the cable. Yeah, this is the dumbest thing about these things. It's taking these stupid things off, because there's 2 tabs on this side and 1 tab here, and they're fucking stuck in there really well, and they're super deep. The tabs are like way back here. I was just thinking, snip, break out. Nope. Of course. Why would it be easy? Alright, we got a great controller here. Let's just see if this has connection. Look at red. Black or white? White. White.
These are stupid.
Red. course, this one's red, doesn't work. There it goes. So, this gray controller's working. Go ahead and desolder this off really quick. Solder it on the black one. There's that. Take this one off. Line up the holes. Just pressure. Okay. There we go. Z button, stick. L. R. Okay, back really quick. Oh, Z button. Z button.
Somebody bought this to get it shipped.
Okay.
It's literally all they bought.
Okay. Okay, let's see if I can remember how this goes.
Do I still package it the same we would package anything else?
Correct. Over, under, in. Come on, if I can remember. Maybe I think I'm doing it wrong. Doesn't look right. John, I'm doing the cable wrong. I forgot how the cable goes. That's not right, right?
Yeah, it is.
Is it? Is it? There it goes. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of them are out. I'm gonna go test it.
There's anything I can help you with?
I got the stupid plastic thing off. It's really difficult. We're gonna actually just tear out this cable. And Dylan, hold that. You pull and I pull. Pull it off. Oh.
Thank you for calling Actual Video Games. This is John. How can I help you? We don't sell graphics cards. Yeah, sorry about that. You as well. Apparently we're supposed to have 5080 graphics cards.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh. Do you not have anything on this sleeve? Is it
Just stretching. Oh, there's nothing right here though.
There's nothing there? Okay, grab from there. Wrap it around your hands and fucking pull. I can fucking mean it, John. Well.
Did it come out?
I guess it might be better just to cut it. That's so stupid. Look, you can't even get the stupid cables out of there. I'm just gonna cut it.
Oh, there's still cables in here.
Oh, well, that makes sense. Maybe this one's working now.
We found the break.
Down the break. We may have made it. Do it the old-fashioned way. Make a cut and then tear. Ha! Ah! Is there a cable in there?
Yeah, there's a cable
Well, I wonder.
from here to here.
Let's see if the black works. Continuity. Beep, beep. I can't even tell where the end starts. All right. Black.
This shit's pretty stretchy.
Yeah. Hey, look at it. The black works.
I don't think that's how you're supposed to strip wires.
Yeah, well, I don't have my strippers. So I use my teeth.
We should get strippers for the shop.
I definitely have some at my house.
Oh, I'm jealous.
Yeah. Be jealous of my strippers. Yeah, there you go. This cable works. Plug it back in.
Yeah.
Plug it back in, it'll work. Look at the mess we've made. Alright, so how am I gonna do this? That's a great question. what you need to do is take this. Realistically, we have to desolder the whole thing. Again, slide out the plastic thing, slide the new one in. This is why these suck. Because there's no... There's no easy way. Huh. It's the way these are connected. And here are the same way they're connected at the other end with connectors on the back end. That's why it's not worth the time, realistically. Because you have to desolder all the whole thing.
So what are we going to tell the customer about this? This wire was broken, so we replaced it?
Yeah, realistically, if he wants it, we could replace the wire with, you know, it's not going to be the same color. Because what would I do here? I'd have to desolder these, take all the connectors, cut them, solder them back on, which we can resolder this connector perfectly fine. But then we still got to deal with this. And I need to keep this in somewhat tact. And I can't even get this stupid thing out.
I would just leave him with the gray one. Hope he's happy.
Because what I would do, I would just solder these cables instead of the connector directly to the board. Take and then put the other one back on. Connect that and then go from there. But I would have to break this, like, the whole thing. I'm gonna fuck around with it. Just gonna cut these cables right here. And then I'm gonna cut the shell. Then I guess I could just solder the connectors on the other side. Hey, if you guys know a tool to take these out, let me know. I'll buy that tool. Ow! Fuck, right away. This one's probably not going on YouTube.
Wait, why are you still fucking with it? I would have just sold it something like that.
Nah.
Are you gonna put the black one on there?
Yeah. I'm gonna put the black one on there. And you're asking yourself, how? Why? What's the point? So this is something that,
above.
yeah, this is something that's been pissing me off for a while. Realistically,
Did
the
you
way.
just melt that with the soldering iron?
Yeah. So much easier. It's so much easier.
We've had like a $400 day so far.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's not bad at all.
And I didn't give that guy 5% off George basketball during that time.
Oopsie. I may or may not have just... Alright. We'll go like this. Maybe. Hey, can you Google to see if there's a tool to remove these ends? Hold that. All right. And clip. Ha! Then what are we gonna do? I'm not gonna. Let's get this motherboard back out. And I'm gonna desolder this again. I could just solder the cables back together. What do you think, John? Should I solder the cables back together? Or should I just solder the cables directly to the board?
It's up to you. Two 3mm terminal removal tools and one 2mm terminal removal tool.
I don't know what that means. What does that mean? So yes, there is. Or no, there's not.
Okay, this is just to get playing. I 3D print stuff.
Is there a 3D printer tool?
Yeah.
Is this dude my godsend?
Found what you need. The terminal removal tool.
Is that Amazon?
Yeah.
For the 64?
Yeah.
Buy it.
It's not necessarily for the 64, but
No, what do you mean?
it's what iFixit says you need to
Oh, does it?
remove those things.
Is that what they say?
Oh, did you see that eBay link I sent you?
Yeah, that thing's insane.
I thought that was pretty cool. I just saw it scrolling on eBay. For like $5,000 is crazy.
Yeah, for a poster. It's a cool poster. So this is also something you can do to use.
Is that nail polish?
Yeah, to secure the like connections so they don't touch. I used to do this a lot when I didn't have the other stuff. I used to just use nail polish. That's all it does, just puts a nice layer of protectant. And it's shiny. How long does it last? I don't fucking know. I actually don't even know if this will work. I believe in my skills. What do you think?
Yeah. I'm enjoying watching you tinker.
Yeah, this is just a ghetto ass 5. Alright, you ready? put this in one of those holes. Let's see if we can connect to it. Because the other one we weren't even able to connect to it.
I'm in the
Middle? I think the middle is white. Do it, everyone. Red, and the other one's black. No? I think it went. Uh-oh. Do the red one.
Oh.
Do the white one. White. Oh no, hold on, stay there. No. There you go, black. John, why is one of these not working now? What do you mean you don't know? I'm really confused.
Broken.
Okay, you're plugged into the black one, right?
Yeah. I heard power.
Okay, so something's going on with the connection. It's not really connected. So what do you got going on? What are you working on?
I was going to start working on getting some leads out. That's what these two bad boys are here for.
This is fucking stupid. I'm making a giant fucking mess.
Nice. Don't you need to go pick up Wyatt?
2. Come on. fuck? Let's test it before I leave. Oh, dear. Pick a color. Pick a color.
Is that black?
Yep.
White?
Red? Yay.
They all make the beepy beeps.
They make the beepy beeps.
This actually doesn't look too bad.
It could be better, realistically. You know? Give me the green stuff.
What is that?
Formal coating. It's what we should have been using instead of fucking nail polish.
You know, I've always wondered why that jar of nail polish was right there. No. So, my question is, are we gonna be able to sell this Wii that's like missing screws and shit?
Nope. Maybe. You know? Pretty cheap. That I could sell for $20. And working.
Without cables and stuff?
And working. That's the crazy thing, is it's working. Alright, let's put this back in the board. We're gonna test the connection one more time.
What do you mean?
You wanted a piece of shit TV show you could fall asleep to.
Yeah, because I have an issue where I like to fall asleep to the TV.
Yay.
Yeah, it's
Middle.
called like The Gifted. It's like a Marvel.
Yay. Yeah, fuck you.
Couldn't find the hole.
That's what she said. That's what you said. Funny jokes. Jokes are funny. Bam. We just saved a gray fucking 64 controller.
It's actually not the most expensive one, by the way.
I'm looking for a game. My son's looking for a game, actually. It's called Forza Horizon 4.
Oh yeah, the capacitors for this. Yeah.
No, the
That would be ball.
Oh, really?
well, come in.
All right. Let's go plug this in really quick. And I'll go get Wyatt. Actually, John, I go pick up Wyatt now.
What'd you say?
I gotta go pick up Wyatt now, so.
What is uncaptured? Oh, shit.
I don't know who this is. Oh, you look cool.
I'll just grab one off the box.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to it. It's probably on the floor when I was messing around with them.
Alright, I really do not like the ends of 64 controllers. We've looked for tools and stuff that might help us break those apart, because when the cable's busted, you can't do too much. And you saw me, I destroyed that controller pretty much trying to get into it. We try not to destroy the plastic base. If you guys know an easier way, show me a video, send me something. I don't know. All I know is that 64 is now good, complete, and sold the controller already. So we are looking for more Funtastic 64 controllers and systems. I want to collect them all. Then I also don't want to collect them all because that smoke controller is expensive. On to the next repair.